So I just wanted to share with you an amazing service I've had recently with WarmZilla. I had a boiler repair done with them and I can't tell you how impressed I was with the service. I booked a visit online through their website and that was incredibly user-friendly and efficient. Our heating system had actually completely stopped working and I was in desperate need of a repair because the home was left quite cold and uncomfortable. From the moment I completed the online booking, the customer service was exceptional. I was actually bombarded with communication from them, which is actually a really good thing in the situation I was in. I can't tell you how much I appreciated being kept in the loop every step of the way. They scheduled an appointment so quickly and the technician arrived on time, fully equipped to diagnose and fix the issue, which is actually really rare these days. The engineer was not only professional and courteous, but also was incredibly knowledgeable. He really quickly identified the problem, explained it really clearly to me and my wife, and got working on it right away. Within a short period of time, the boiler was actually up and running, and the quality of the repair was evident, as well as our heating system's been functioning flawlessly ever since. I suppose what really impressed me the most was not only the engineer's attention to detail, but the thoroughness of his work. He ensured everything was working perfectly before leaving and really went above and beyond and gave us some tips on maintaining the boiler to prevent future issues with it. So I do have to say WarmZilla provided an exceptional and efficient service, and I can't recommend them highly enough to anyone that needs a boiler repair. They really are the company for you.